Alright, hi Paul, Chris here. It's your quadcopter, it's ready. I've built one of those for you before, so I'm not going to talk about this too much now. It's essentially the same quadcopter, same motors, 282 to 1800 kV, same ESCs, F20 Simon K, same everything. The only thing is I'm not going to be shipping you the KK2 with it. And then carbon fiber top plate, which is not installed at the moment. So let's go ahead now and show you just a quick test flight demo here. I've already tuned it. We'll be shipping that to you with tame settings again. You can tune it to your preference from there. As usual, all the parts are new, so this is going to be very stable for you. I've actually just wait now. I'll show you the flight, and then I'll show you something after the flight. There you go. Very stable, no oscillation. Short demo, I know. I've got a few builds and videos to finish today here. Let me just put the camera down, plug this, show you something, okay? Now, I'm not shipping you my receivers. I'm going to disconnect that now. Pull that off of there. Okay. Remove the two standoffs here. And then let me just disconnect the ESCs. The wires on the ESCs are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and the layout is the same on the CC3D, so I'm just going to leave that like this for you. Alright, just like that. And you're going to be able to connect them right to your CC3D from there. Let me pull the KK2 off of there. Now what I did on this is I basically soldered the battery wires on the outside pads so that you have room, you have room in the middle for your CC3D. CC3D can be mounted right onto this distribution board if you have a tune, like a plastic protector for the CC3D. If not, you're going to need standoffs. And so what I did is I drilled 4 holes on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 holes here. These basically line up with the CC3D. 2 ways to put standoffs on there. You can go from the bottom because my center plates already have the holes for the CC3D. See? Let me take the battery off here. I'll show you. You got the 4 holes here. The CC3D. These 4 holes here, they line up basically with these 4 holes on top here. So you could go right through the bottom with some long nylon screws, put a couple of nylon nuts on here and set your CC3D on top of that, and that would work. Or use these short standoffs here and put them on here instead. I will send you the hardware for this. I'll send you the nylon nuts and whatnot. Another way to do it is to get the nuts only through the distribution board, which I think is better. But to do that, you'd have to cut off the twist ties that the ESCs are connected to give yourself some loose, and then remove these 4 stands off here, and you'll be able to lift off that distribution board just enough to fit the nylon screws from the bottom through those 4 holes, and then put your little standoff on top, or preferably just a nylon nut, which I will send to you because you want to keep that as low profile as you can. And then from there you want to use standoffs on each corner for your top plate. Only thing is that the standoffs of the KK2 board are short, and they're going to be too short to create clearance for the CC3D connectors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you 4 standoffs that are longer, and these ones will be compatible with the CC3D. So you'll get nylon screws, bolts, nut standoffs to mount both the CC3D or the KK2, whichever is your choice. Alright, so that's it, Paul. I'm going to have that in the mail for you tomorrow. Fortunately, you can expect a 3 or 4 days delay for the shipping this time, because it's a national holiday here this week. It's Dragon Boat Festival. The post office is open tomorrow on Wednesday, but it's closed Thursday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So the post office closes for 4 days, reopens on Monday. I'm hoping this will get on the airplane for you on Friday, because there are some post office personnel that will be working on Friday, especially for the faster shipping method. But I'm not shipping this EMS for you; it's too expensive. So you're looking at probably, like I said, maybe 4 or 5 days wait longer than normal to get this, because of the poor timing with the Chinese New Year holidays there. But yeah, it'll come to you. Yeah, like I said, maybe 3 days, 3, 4 days, 5 days, a bit slower than the last time the shipping will be, I think. Okay, Paul, I think that's it. If you have any questions, any problems, you know where to find me. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.